Great Falls Library is of course known for its books. A new program, however, aims to bring more digital literacy to its members.
This workshop is provided to us through a grant with the Public Library Association and AT&T. They actually work together to create all of this amazing information for us to bring to the Great Falls community.
If you're new to computers or just haven't used them for a while, this new program at the library has the tools to help you tackle that problem.
There is no registration for this. We're going to be in the small meeting room from 1 to 2:30. Most of the classes are going to be taught by Great Falls College MSU staff members, which is a really great collaboration that we have with them. And then the rest of the classes will be taught by either myself or our IT specialist here at the library.
6 weeks, 6 topics, and all free. The classes include computer basics, internet basics, email basics, cybersecurity, video conferencing basics, and mobile devices.
2 times a month. We're going to start February 6th, and then our next one will be February 20th. So it's more or less every other week, but it's the first and third Thursday of every month. All free, and you don't have to come to all of them. People can just come to whatever programs they are most interested in.
The first class is Computer Basics of Windows 11 on February 6th, and the second class will tackle Internet Basics.
We want to be able to make sure that this is open and welcoming to whoever may need a little bit of assistance in the technological world, which can be a little confusing at times. Once the workshop is done, all of the laptops that I am purchasing through the grant will be available for in-house checkout. So that means that the laptops cannot leave the library, but you are welcome to use them while you are still here. We are thrilled to have been accepted into this program, and we can't wait to see where this takes us.
In Great Falls, I'm James Rowland, MTN News.